Now you will learn what is Binance Alpha and how to trade on it. How does it compare to Binance Spot and futures? What are the risks of using Binance Alpha and alternative platforms with lower trading fees? First, when you want to start trading on Binance, you'll need to create the free account. And I will leave you a link in the description right here below the video. After clicking the link below my video, you will land on the Binance registration page and you will create your free account using your email or phone number, Google, Apple or Telegram account. All sign-up methods are free. I will also leave you links in the description for alternative platforms with lower trading fees. The first thing you might be asking, what is Binance Alpha all about? It's of course similar to BYBIT Alpha and CoinEx on-chain. There seems to be a big demand in the crypto industry for trading these new tokens because almost all major crypto exchanges are launching these types of products. So Binance Alpha is a new feature inside Binance that lets you trade these small and new cryptocurrencies. Notice that this Binance Alpha is different from the Binance decentralized exchange and Binance wallet that I have shown you also in one of my previous videos. Because on Binance Alpha you will trade with the money on your Binance spot account, so you don't need to send money anywhere else. You can keep it here, do the trading comfortably and easily. And now you might be asking, but how does this differ from spot and futures trading? Why to trade on Alpha in the first place and why not just focus on Binance Spot? The reason is that many of these coins are not yet listed on Binance Spot or futures markets. Let me just give you some examples. Here is the Night cryptocurrency on BYBIT Alpha, and if I go to Binance Spot and I search here for Night, it's nowhere to be found as you can see here. However, when I use this global search Night, it shows here Night on the BYBIT Alpha, and then there is Night USDT on the futures market as you can see right here. But many coins are not listed even on the futures. You can see here this GAIX token, for example. Here if we go to search for GAIX, you can see it's only found on Binance Alpha. In other words, you will get early access to different coins, and of course many of these have a chance of getting listed on Binance Spot later, and you probably know what happens when new coins get listed on Binance. They usually pump up in price pretty fast, at least for the short term. But of course there are also massive risks with Binance Alpha, as I will show you in a moment. But now let me show you the exact steps on how to trade on Binance Alpha. I have chosen this coin that is only available here, not on spot, not on futures, and here on the right hand side I'm able to use limit orders. So if I want to buy at a specific price, stop limit, and then instant. This instant is kind of like the market price. And now I will show you how to execute the trade here, and then I will show you through side-by-side comparisons that you can get lower fees, so you will get more coins on other platforms than on Binance. Here I can choose to use different coins for Binance Alpha, USDT, BNB or USDC, and I'm quite confident that they will also add other coins in the future, but let's buy with USDT. I have chosen here buy. I choose here for example 20 USDT, and here it shows how much I can receive. The number of GAIX tokens, minimum received, and here you can choose the priority. So do you want to choose the priority on price, so you will get typically more coins, or do you want to choose priority on success, when it's typically faster but there may be a higher slippage? Or you can choose a custom slippage tolerance right here if you want your transaction to succeed even faster. But this one is not really helpful if you are trading with a small amount of money. This is for the people who trade with a lot of money. For most of us, we will be using priority on success and priority on price. Then you can click here buy, and it gives you the confirmation right here. If the quote has expired, you can click here refresh, and then you can click here confirm, and it does the trade. You can see here instant buy order created, and it may take a few seconds because the transaction happens on chain even though Binance handles it on the background, and you you can see the holdings right here. It happened extremely fast. Now if I want to sell it, I can click here of course for sell, or I can continue to take a look at other coins. For example here ARTX. Let me just show a quick example with this one. $10, buy ARTX, click here confirm, and you can see it was created, and now it will typically take a few seconds and ARTX will show up in my holdings right here. And you can see here just after a few seconds it showed up here. And now let me show you the main risks and things to consider when trading on Binance Alpha. And first I want to show you the side-by-side comparison with CoinEx, because on CoinEx they typically give you more coins because of the lower fees, at least based on my research and experiences. On CoinEx you can also trade without KYC, so you can make money even privately. But let's do immediately here the test. We have night coins on both of them, and you can see here the price is higher on Binance than on CoinEx. So you could even do here the arbitrage. You could buy these coins on the lower price on CoinEx and then sell at the same time on the higher price on Binance. But of course there are some risks, and you cannot withdraw the coins from these platforms, so you would need to do it real time using both of these windows. Anyways, let me show you how much night coins I can receive on Binance and on CoinEx. I will put the same slippage tolerance on both. So here is 1% slippage tolerance on Binance, and we will put the same here on CoinEx, 1%. And here you can see receive amount less than 1600 night coins on Binance, and here roughly 1600, so it's more. And the minimum received on CoinEx is 1583. Minimum received on Binance is 1565. You can see it's dynamic, it changes. Now also here on the CoinEx it changed, but you can also do the quick calculation based on the price, because you can see the night price here and you can see the night price here on Binance. The price is cheaper on CoinEx, which means that you will get more coins for the same price. On top of that, CoinEx doesn't charge platform fees for using this on-chain, only the blockchain gas fees. That's why CoinEx on-chain also has lower fees than, for example, the BYBIT Alpha. The second risk you can see here immediately on the bottom is that you cannot withdraw these alpha tokens outside of Binance. You can only buy or sell. However, if you buy them on the Binance DEX using your own Binance wallet, then of course you have the freedom to do whatever you want with them, hold them in your own wallet, deposit, withdraw, do whatever you want. But here on the Binance Alpha, you can only buy or sell. However, if you sell them for USDT, USDC or BNB, the proceeds will automatically be credited to your Binance account, so of course you can earn the profits with them. But when talking about profits, it's important to understand the third risk, which is the extreme volatility. And that's why I have opened this night coin right here, because you can see this massive red candle. The price literally dumped. You can see here that if we compare it to the current price, it used to be like more than 600% higher, but then it went zoop so low so fast. So people who invested in Nightcoin obviously lost a lot of money. And in the long run, almost all of these coins here on the Binance Alpha typically lose over 99% of their value against Bitcoin. And that's why, of course, Bitcoin is the safest bet, because the 200-week moving average of Bitcoin has always been going higher. It means that every single long-term holder of Bitcoin has always earned profits as long as they held Bitcoin long enough. And of course, another difference of Binance Alpha compared to Binance Spot and Futures is that here on the spot trading you have much more flexibility. You have much more order types available, you have much more trading pairs available, and of course you have more data and history with all of these coins. And when we are talking about Binance Futures, that also brings additional benefits, and specifically the leverage, and also automated trading bots with Binance Spot and Binance Futures that you cannot use with Binance Alpha at the moment. That being said, let me give you also another alternative platform with lower trading fees, specifically for spot and futures, and that is called MEXC or MEX. You can see here that the spot trading fees at the moment of recording this video are zero maker and zero taker, so literally zero fees. And the futures trading fees are also the lowest in the industry, 0.005 maker and 0.02% taker. And if you go here for the futures, you also find many trading pairs with zero fees. For example, the most popular one, BTC USDT perpetual, zero maker, zero taker. So if you want to trade on the lowest fees on spot and futures, MEX is great. If you want to trade with the lowest fees on Binance Alpha alternatives, so CoinEx on chain, then this one is of course a great platform, founded already in 2017, so the same year as Binance was founded. And then if you want even more platforms, I can give you my guide as a free gift, where you will see more than 20 apps and platforms in one place. You will get this as a free gift through the link in the description somewhere right here below my video. And I recommend that you use many of them to get benefits. For example, MEX for the lowest spot and futures trading fees, CoinEx with the competitive fees and prices on CoinEx on-chain, and also for making money privately. And then BYBIT for great bonuses and rewards, and then each platform brings their own benefits. Since you are watching video about Binance Alpha, I'm quite sure you will enjoy using CoinEx, and that's why you will find all the links and resources discussed in today's video in the description right here. BYBIT, Binance, Ultimate Guide and more.